Today is not a day you wanted to be at the airport, as this spring snow is just slowing things down at DIA.
Flight tracking site FlightAware shows dozens of flights have been canceled out there, hundreds more delayed. Our Colton Chavez is out at the airport talking with folks waiting out the weather. Colton?
Kyle, this is I guess a sign of good news. We've been here all day long, but TSA is actually more crowded now than it was earlier. So that must mean that people are now kind of getting a move on to hopefully get on these flights. But for some people, that delay was a couple of hours. For others, they're not getting out until tomorrow morning. And among all of this uncertainty, we learned there is one thing travelers are for sure of.
Your attention, please. Your attention, please.
One could argue there are three certainties in life: death,
All TSA check.
taxes, and if you had to guess why we're here, what do you think we're asking people about today?
You know, I'd probably think that you're going to ask about why the flight's being canceled. I've been looking out the windows and I don't see it snowing.
News crews covering air travel when it snows.
Well, you're talking about delays, and the delays people are having.
What would make you guess that?
Because it's normal when you travel, period.
Delayed flights that turn these terminals into staging areas for journalists. What story are you guys working on?
Man? Hey, something new, something happened down the street.
It's a familiar story with an uncertain ending for people who just want to get home.
We've looked into it and they're talking 3 p.m. tomorrow. And it's like there's no other plane that can take us today.
While the weather can't grant any guarantees,
Yeah, we were supposed to get out of here 8:30. Now we're looking at what, 10?
families say there are certainly worse things than delays.
You know, at least so far not canceled. You know, we've had our share of cancellations.
TSA has limited the items that.
A little lesson that we learned tonight is if you plan on flying out of DIA tomorrow, we may be seeing a little bit of weather as well. Just be sure to get on your apps and check those flight statuses. Live at DIA tonight, Colton Chavez, 9 News.